Today, I'm going to show you how to create videos like these using Seedance 1.0. This tool has achieved the top position on global rankings, surpassing competitors like Google's VO3. And the method I will share is completely free. Let's dive in. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so YouTube recommends you more videos like this. Okay, first, let's get to know Seedance a little better. Seedance AI is a cutting-edge platform that transforms your text or images into cinematic quality videos in just minutes. Powered by the advanced Seedance 1.0 model, it supports both text-to-video and image-to-video generation, delivering high-definition results up to 1080p. With features like multi-shot storytelling, dynamic camera movements, and precise character control, Seedance makes professional video creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're crafting marketing content, educational materials, or social media clips, Seedance streamlines the process without the need for technical skills. You can experience the future of video generation with this tool. The tool is developed by the creators of TikTok and CapCut. According to recent reports, Seedance 1.0 has surpassed VO3 and Kling to become the top-ranked model in text-to-video performance, and the result is same for image-to-video performance. In a minute, we will create amazing videos like this with Seedance. Before that, I'll show you how to access the tool for free. First, click the link I've provided in the description. This page will open. On this page, click Create Now at the top right. Then, at the bottom left, you'll see a sign-in button, click it, and you can log in with any of your accounts from there. I use my Google account. I actually have more than one, so I log in that way. You can also connect with your email or other accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. On the home page, as you can see at the top, if you click the video option, you'll see that it's active. Also, if you click on the options here, you'll see that the Seedance model is implemented. If you go to the bottom left and click there, you can see your free credits. As you can see, they give you free credits every day, but if you don't use them, they're taken back. If you want to use more free credits on the same day, it's enough to log in with a different email address. Here are some important notes to get free access to Seedance. For more daily credits, just sign up with different email addresses. If AI video isn't available in your region, connect through a VPN. US, UK, or Canada works best. And remember, be quick. These free methods change often, so grab your access while it lasts. Alright, now I'll first use the texture video feature as an example. When you go to the video section, you'll see that the image and text sections are under the same roof here. You can upload text to the image section. Right now, I'll show the version where I only use text. First, I'll do a quick brainstorming with ChatGPT. I'll request a cinematic prompt of a beautiful woman with a phone, as if it were a phone commercial. Here's the kind of prompt I want. Create a prompt for a short cinematic video of a breathtaking woman and her phone. The prompt it generated is quite a nice example. A breathtaking woman in her late 20s stands by a floor-to-ceiling window overlooking a glowing city skyline at golden hour. Soft sunlight frames her face, highlighting her confident gaze. She holds a sleek smartphone delicately in one hand, the screen casting a gentle glow on her features. Her hair flows naturally in the breeze from the open window, and the atmosphere feels both intimate and cinematic. Shallow depth of field, warm tones, and subtle lens flare, 4K, cinematic lighting, slow motion. Now I'll take this prompt, paste it to Seedance, and set the output to 16:9 widescreen for 5 seconds. The video is ready in about a minute. Let's take a look together. As you can see, it's very natural and beautiful. The camera movement, the sunlight, the details of the phone and hair, just as we wanted. Let's also check it in larger size. Yes, even in large format, the details are spot on. You can even see a slight scratches on the glass, which really adds to the realism. I'm very satisfied with the result. Now let's move on to our next example. Now we'll do an example using the image to video feature. For this, I go to the video section again. This time I'll use the option on the left to upload an image. The image I selected for my computer is this one, colorful, with various moving color patterns that we can test in a video. To turn this image into a video, I add a simple prompt. The camera glides through a vibrant rainforest toward a scarlet macaw perched on the right. In slow motion, it lifts its wings, the sunlight igniting reds, blues, and golds as the waterfall shimmers softly in the background. After entering the prompt, I start the generation process. As you can see, it's very easy. Just a short prompt is enough. Let's look at the result together. As you can see, it has preserved the colors beautifully. Opening the larger version, you can see the water flowing in the background, the bird's shape staying intact, the sunlight changing. Everything looks very vivid. It gives a truly cinematic look and feels like a professional documentary scene. I can say I'm really pleased with this result. Now let's continue with another example. In a minute, I'll show you how the results differ when compared with popular apps like Kling AI or VO3. But before that, I want to show you one last example so you can see how well it can create cinematic scenes. This time, I go to the video section and simply enter a cinematic scene in the text field. A woman rides her bike along a sunny coastal path. Cut. She stops to buy fresh fruit from a beachside stand. Cut. She sits on a pier, feet dangling over the water. As you can see, I've written 3 different scenes separated by the word cut, so the system understands they should be distinct. I also used she in each scene, so I expect a consistent female character throughout. I set the output to 10 seconds so the different scenes are easier to see. Let's look at the result together. As you can see, it's highly successful, truly like a movie scene. The cinematic character design, lighting, and background elements are all consistent between different scenes. Now let's try one more example. This time, I entered a 3-scene prompt featuring a man. A young man relaxes in a hammock under palm trees. Cut. He scrolls through his phone, smiling at a message. Cut. He snaps a selfie with the ocean in the background. I expect him to be taking action with his phone in different scenes. As you can see, the prompt is made up of just a few words. Let's check the result. Yes, it's also very successful. The man's clothing, character consistency, and the details both near and far all flow smoothly in a cinematic way. This could genuinely be used as commercial content. Considering we produced this with just a few words in about 1 minute, I think the result is extremely impressive. Now we'll compare the Seedance with the Kling AI app. For this, we'll use the same image and turn it into a video in both tools using the exact same prompt. The image we'll use is of a woman in red, standing on a street in the evening. First, I upload the woman's image into Seedance, then add the prompt to turn it into a video. Animate this scene. A light breeze makes the woman's dress sway gently, raindrops fall and ripple across the wet cobblestones, and the street lamps flicker softly. The camera slowly circles around her, capturing the shimmering reflections in night atmosphere. This is the exact same prompt I'll also use in Kling AI. I make the generation in Seedance. Next, I open the Kling AI app, upload the same image, paste in the exact same prompt without any changes, and start the generation there as well. Now, let's look at the results. I think both turned out very well. I'll also show them in larger formats one by one because when viewed in large size, Seedance feels a bit more dynamic and better in terms of slow motion quality. In my opinion, the results are close, but Seedance came out slightly more cinematic compared to Kling AI. What do you think? Now let's compare it with another app that has recently become very popular, VEO3. When you go to the VEO3 page, you can see example prompts and the videos made with them. Here, I'll take the prompt for a video of a woman playing the violin, which is directly available there, and use it for generation in Seedance. I go to the video section again. By the way, I should remind you, I'm still doing this with free credits, using different emails on the same day. You can do the same. I enter my prompt, which, as in the VO example, is expected to produce a woman playing the violin in a classic setting. I think both are quite beautiful and cinematic. The transitions are very smooth, almost no sign that it's AI generated. I'll also show the larger versions for a better comparison. In my opinion, the results are very close this time. The details in both, the woman, the violin, and the background elements, are all very well done. This time I'd say the results are almost equal. What do you think? Okay, that's a wrap. In this video, you explored the top-ranking AI video generator, Seedance, learned how to access it for free, and discovered how to utilize its text-to-video and image-to-video features. We also compared its capabilities with Kling and VEO3. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and share it with a friend. It really motivates me to create more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.